Hello friends, welcome to Health and Beauty Tips Online. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all the future updates. Today we are going to discuss about manage stress. It's common to be frequently stressed. When faced with a stressful situation, according to the American Cancer Society, your pulse quickens, you breathe faster, your muscles tense and your brain uses more oxygen. If your stress lasts too long, however, it can harm your health. The Cancer Society suggests methods to better help you cope with stress. 1. Set priorities for daily tasks, and learn to say no if you are overwhelmed. 2. Stay in touch with people who can provide emotional support. 3. Take time to perform relaxing activities, such as reading, yoga or gardening. 4. Avoid dwelling on problems. Focus on what you have accomplished, not what you have been unable to do. 5. Exercise regularly. Thanks for watching and being with us.